Okay, so yeah, just got done messing with this thing. The throttle was stuck, so I took that all apart, put a little bit of lube in here, and eventually I got it to turn. So I broke that loose. Probably still gonna need like a carb clean, but I don't know. I'm gonna drain the fluids and whatnot, do an oil change, and we'll see what happens. Battery's holding the charge. Needs a new headlamp bulb. But yeah, look, it's dope, dude. It's a midnight purple. And got it for a steal. So I'm gonna get that running. And I got this for now. The dope ass Honda Shadow. I've almost got it out. Okay, so I've gotten to the point where it's free, you know, from the rest of the bike, but just gotta release these throttle cables. Hello. Okay. And I'm gonna have to loosen these bolts in order to slide this up out of there. Same on the other side. See? You can't see, but you get it. Anyway. Oh yeah, I did this too. Yeah, that one looked like shit. So I don't know if I'll put it on the bike, but yeah, it's there. Let's get to work. She's running. Got a little drip coming from the petcock. I have to address that. Row, row. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. So I've been riding it around. And yeah, feels good. Man. Took a little bit of work, but hey. Running bike. For not that much money.